Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is, Who is Lot? Abraham and Lot part ways. Lot was a man greatly blessed by God through this relationship with Abraham. He prospered, gained wealth, and was given freedom to choose where he would settle. In Genesis 13, when conflict arose between their herdsmen, Abraham graciously allowed Lot to choose first. Lot lifted up his eyes and chose the fertile plains of the Jordan, land that looked green, prosperous, and promising. Yet the Bible quietly adds a warning. The people of Sodom were exceedingly weak. Lot's decision was guided by sight, not by faith. He did not ask what honored God, only what benefited him. Through Lot gained land, he slowly moved closer to moral danger. His history reminds us that good-looking choices can still lead to painful consequences. True wisdom is not choosing what looks best, but choosing what keeps us close to God. So ayon po sa Genesis chapter 13, verse 1 to 13. So Abraham went up from Egypt to the Negev with his wife and everything he had, and Lot went him. Abraham had to become very wealthy in livestock and in silver and gold. From Negev he went from place to place until he came to Bethel, to the place between Bethel and Ai where his tent had been earlier, and where he had first built an altar. Thus Abraham called on the name of the Lord. So ayon po sa ating katuruan, what looks good in the eyes is not always good. So hindi lahat ng mukhang maganda o attractive ay tama o mabuti. Minsan ang decisions na mukhang best ayon sa mata o feelings natin ay may masamang epekto sa huli. And peace is more valuable than wealth. So mas mahalaga ang kapayapaan ng puso at relasyon kaysa sa pera. Kahit marami kang kayamanan, kung puno naman ng stress, hawa at worries ang buhay mo, hindi ka pa rin tunay na masaya. And raising a family na godly culture should be a top priority. And sa applications naman po, weigh your decisions using biblical principles and prioritize peace over wealth and raise your family within a godly culture. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.